Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your NX workspace and node runtime. Ensure Node 16 or newer is installed on your machine. Create or open an existing NX app with the CLI. Confirm your workspace uses plain Node or Nest.js targets for server code. Note that Worker Threads is built into Node 16 and newer, so no extra package is required. Plan threading around available cores, for example using 2 threads on a laptop and up to 8 on a server. This preparation keeps the implementation simple and reliable. Add a worker file inside your NX app that imports worker threads and listens for messages. In the worker file, call parent port, on and parent port, post message to exchange data and results. From the main app file, spawn a new worker pointing to the worker file. Send work by worker. Post message with the payload and listen for worker. On message. Start with 2 workers for mid workloads and increase the count to match physical cores for better throughput. Cleanly terminate workers when tasks complete to free resources. Run your NX app using nxserve or node dist/main. JS to test threading behavior. Send a batch of representative tasks, for example many 100 ms jobs, to observe latency and throughput. Measure CPU utilization and adjust the worker count to match physical cores, for example 8 threads on an 8-core server. Monitor memory usage and add node flags if necessary. For example, max old space size equals 2048. Finally,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.